New Mexico's Supreme Court justices are now weighing a decision in what may be the final court battle over what redistricting did to state voting boundaries. News 13's Marilyn Upchurch has more details after hearing arguments on both sides.
A district court judge ruled last month that the redrawn maps passed by the Democratic-controlled state legislature and governor did not show egregious gerrymandering. The state Republican Party is now trying to convince the Supreme Court that the maps should be thrown out.
The district court correctly found that plaintiffs failed to prove that Senate Bill 1 entrenches the Democratic Party in power.
In front of the state Supreme Court, it was attorneys for Democratic lawmakers today defending a district court decision aimed at keeping redistricted voting maps.
The map does not violate Article 2, Section 18 of the New Mexico Constitution.
Last month, a district court judge said the redrawn voting boundaries diluted Republican votes by moving more Democrats into Congressional District 2. But he said the change did not rise to the level of an egregious gerrymander. Now, it's up to the state Supreme Court to decide. In oral arguments today, the Republican Party says the new district still gives Democrats an unfair chance at winning elections. Justices questioned the GOP's attorney over the district court not finding that the Democratic Party tried to entrench itself in power.
The judge seemed to say they tried to find entrenchment. They had the intent. They just didn't do it.
And if we were to go just specifically to the issue of entrenchment, what we would say is that the district court erred as a matter of law first in applying that as a separate and independent analysis.
The district court ruled that last year's race between Democrat Gabe Vasquez and incumbent Republican Yvette Harrell was a competitive race, since Vasquez won the race by less than 1%. Attorneys for state lawmakers were questioned today over the intent behind maps and the idea of diluting Republican power.
So is there not enough dilution here? Is that what the district court was saying?
The district court did find substantial dilution, but what we have to look at is what is the outcome of that substantial dilution? And when the outcome is, as it is here, a highly competitive district that either party can win, that is not entrenchment.
The justices did not say when they will announce their decision, only remarking that they would have something, quote, as soon as they can. Back to you.
So far, the 2024 election is expected to once again use the same congressional district maps as the ones that were used in 2022.